To hit it big in the student housing industry, you must get two things spot on: a deep understanding of what your tenants need and a commitment to offering incredible customer service. But wait, there is more. You'll also need to get your hands on state-of-the-art management software, the kind that makes your day-to-day run smoothly and at the same time significantly improves the living conditions for your residents. That is where this video comes in. We're about to dive into student housing programs. We'll also explore all the essential features these platforms offer, so by the end, you'll be in the perfect position to pick the right solution that matches your property ambitions. So let's jump right in. What is student housing? Student housing properties are an important component of the rental market and provide accommodations for students attending colleges and universities. This includes the following: on-campus dormitories, off-campus apartments, student co-ops, and purpose-built residential association spaces designed to specifically meet the students' needs. These programs allow students to save their money due to the proximity to schools. Most of these student housing programs offers features such as gyms or libraries. How to succeed as a student housing property manager. To succeed in student housing property management, you must comprehend your tenants' requirements, provide first-class customer service, and keep yourself informed of market trends. Utilizing the best student housing software for managing all elements associated with properties, from tenant data to lease papers and maintenance needs, will help streamline operations, better communication between students, and make daily tasks more efficient. The importance of student housing management software. The management of student housing properties can be greatly improved using specialized software. This software is designed to help property managers perform the following tasks: rent collection, tenant screening, maintenance request, and so much more. When searching for the best solution in student housing software, key features should include customizable tenant portals, integration capabilities, reporting and analytics functionality. With all these factors combined, they can greatly enhance operations by simplifying processes for students residing in accommodations and their supervisors who oversee them, ultimately creating a more pleasant environment for everyone involved, which who wouldn't want that? Streamline operations. Property managers rely on efficient operations to ensure a successful student housing property management approach. Automating rent collection, maintenance request, and tenant screening can help conserve time and resources for the team while providing tenants with superior service. Enhanced communication. The achievement of the property management team is largely dependent upon effective communication. Student housing software provides a reliable platform for property managers, staff, and students to stay connected, which makes essential updates and announcements easier to handle. Automating processes like sending out notifications or reminders through the best student housing software decreases any potential misunderstandings while enhancing both the resident experience and as well as increasing chances of success overall. Improved efficiency. Property managers in the student housing sector must focus on achieving peak performance and delivering an ideal experience for their tenants. Student housing software is a key player in this, helping to automate certain tasks while providing real-time data insights that can inform decision-making and facilitate smooth communication between staff and residents as well. Top features to look for in student housing software. By having these fundamental elements in place with the chosen software platform, you'll be able to better oversee your student housing properties while also giving tenants a higher quality of service. Customizable tenant portal. Any student housing management software requires a customizable tenant portal for an effortless and efficient experience. Integration capabilities. Investing in student housing software with robust integration capabilities is essential for property managers to successfully manage their operations. Such features will allow the program to connect with campus systems such as financial, information, and third-party platforms, enhancing communication between stakeholders on different levels while simplifying data consolidation so that student renters can enjoy a more comfortable experience. Reporting and analytics. The ability to report and analyze is a key component of any student housing management software. Student housing software solutions. Campus Advantage. Campus Advantage is a widely known supplier of student housing software, aiming to provide property managers with performance-oriented management and result-driven strategies. Their system helps manage room preferences and carry out necessary tasks, such as booking, room allocation, and mess administration, designed for maximum occupancy rate. Inago offers a mostly free option for getting started, which makes it a good starter option. Users report them having good reporting features and verification tools, so if that's important to you, this might be a good option. Their features include robust reporting, tenant screening, lease management, tenant portal. Inago pricing. Inago's starter plan is mostly free, with a $2 charge on all ACH payments and 2.75% charge for debit and credit card payments. You'll also need to pay $30 to $35 for a criminal, credit, and eviction history check per transaction. Room Choice. Room Choice is a comprehensive platform that offers student housing management features such as online bed selection, leasing and room assignments, and roommate matching to provide an improved resident experience. It also provides added benefits like customizable tenant portals, integration capabilities, and reporting tools, providing property owners the insight needed to optimize operations. Yardi. Yardi Breeze is an option for property managers who are just starting out with a monthly minimum of $100. One major benefit is the intuitive interface, which makes it easy to get around. However, they don't offer an app version. Yardi Breeze offers a professional, compliant website service as part of their feature set. Their features include tenant communications, maintenance management, robust accounting features, owner reports. Yardi Breeze pricing. Yardi Breeze separates its pricing based on property type, with separate pricing tiers for residential and commercial. Yardi's residential Breeze plan starts at $100 per month minimum at $1 per unit. Their Breeze premium plan starts at $400 monthly minimum at $2 per unit and goes up from there. DoorLoop. DoorLoop offers every major feature of the top property management software. Plus, you get it all baked into one convenient, lightning-fast, and easy-to-use platform. Not to mention the great customer service that makes getting started, including migrating and learning the software, simple and straightforward. DoorLoop's features include full accounting suite so you can make DoorLoop your all-in-one accounting tool, plus a convenient QuickBooks online integration if you prefer to use DoorLoop strictly for property management, a tenant portal to make collecting rent easier and centralize all tenant communications, a maintenance management system, leasing tools to make getting clients in and setting them up completely streamlined, and so much more. DoorLoop's pricing. DoorLoop's all-in-one property management solution offers competitive pricing starting at just $49. Benefits of cloud-based student housing software. Cloud-based student housing software has many advantages that can be immensely beneficial in helping property managers manage their properties with effectiveness and efficiency. By investing into such a software solution crafted specifically for this type of management task at hand, landlords will have available the required tools as well as resources necessary to streamline operations, also while creating an improved communication environment between them and tenants in order to deliver enhanced living experiences within these dwellings. Property managers looking for the best student housing software should take into account key features such as customizable tenant portals, integration and reporting analytics. Cloud-based solutions offer scalability, accessibility, and security that can not only meet current needs, but also easily adapt to future industry changes. By investing in a reliable solution, they will be able to streamline operations while also providing an exceptional resident experience, which ultimately enhances communication within their property, leading it down the path to success. If you're looking for an incredible property management software solution, be sure to check out DoorLoop and schedule your free demo today. You can find the link in the description box below. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos on property management. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next one.